Singhason Youth Forum LAPEN KSA LAPEN Singhason Youth Development Committee Atun Pen Karjo Ajaimek kedeng pon non bir tang ton pen ni phai thong ke bracket hom Thangthang achiklo por phai isi malop Singhason Youth Forum LAPEN KSA Atun Pen LAPEN Singhason Youth Development Committee Atun Pen Singhason Pudi Sobai Ahawar bolongkom aji pen kilometer trok an soseka helo di Sobai Sunday ahichi along an kedam tang tarik Krepo PGR alam ki phelang pi along aki sungke phodunbek abang pu atumaphan pini Singhason Youth Development Committee atumpen karjo ajaimek kedeng pon Central Committee atumpen asonson alam sitame Singhason Youth atumpen kewang jilang ta kache songkar japon thipchi aphan siddi sobaya hawaraphan thanchip mum pontekang mulong komaji penjoy keptaro report NEPA News.
The heart of Singhason, alongside at the roadside of National Highway 29, and this is Disobai, a very beautiful place, and Singhason constituency. So the leaders of Singhason Youth Development Committee, P and Francis Milik, under them they have convened a felicitation program for the members of SDC Youth Front and KSA who were beaten black and blue at Kironi on the evening of 15th February 2024. So on the back of that, the whole of Karbi Anglong were erupted that the PGR anywhere in Karbi Anglong have to be evicted quickly, immediately and permanently. In regards to that, the Karbi Anglong must Council immediately dispatch letters to the guild fighters of SDC members and KSA. So they sent a letter to have a meeting on 19th. And again, on the 20th, the following day, the different political parties and different social organizations, chaired by the Karbi Anglong Council, Piluram Rohang, CM, he chaired a meeting of on 19 and 20. So for that, we are having a felicitation program. It's all about those 11 KSA and SDC youth front leaders who got beaten. So we are very happy with the motive, with the gesture from Singhason Youth Development Committee and SDC Youth Front branch here at Singhason. So this is one particular event that we have here. And in this situation, yesterday, the Debrabhuta Soikya, leaders of Assam Congress, who made a very blatant, very unfortunate, very uninformed, very unlettered, uneducated kind of statement yesterday, when the whole of Karbi Anglong, when the whole of Assam, when the whole of the country, India, knows that as per the Supreme Court judgment on the 15th June 2015 and 10 January 2017, that anywhere else in India, Assam, Karbi Anglong can be evicted immediately. People who are living in PGR and BGR land. But this Mr. Soikya, the leader of Congress, is stating that this is illegal. So this kind of illegal statement made by him, we really condemn. We, the Singhason Youth Development Committee, also condemn. SDC also condemn. And the whole of Karbi Anglong, I on behalf of that, like to condemn such a statement from Debrabhuta Soikya and the Congress leadership. The Congress leadership on the 20th also present there when the Karbi Anglong Council chaired meeting. They didn't have any problem, but they investigated. They instigated again that this eviction should be stopped. Kind of statement, illegal means. So this is very much unfortunate, and we condemn blatantly to such a statement whoever made. So let us, I on behalf of ASDC Fund and Singhason Youth Development Committee and KSA, that challenging him and pointing our fingers that not to disturb the minds and heart, or not to play with the minds and hearts of the sentiment of these native people. So this is what we want to say. Thank you.
Media koti tempat corolo pacirolo si pini ladak di Sobaya hawar long nil tu kacing room lagi kedam tang helang pialong di hari itu kita hengpi kechok pi areng room pasuki paso aning kiduk pen nili tu ladak di Sobaya hawar setami kacesong furun lo sila sukan det council sor 19 to 20 pressure cap LAPEN inkoya ni kaching ki kachthana teng pen notice pen apa nama pangdak buku yang cuma CM cecak lo lasi laso pena kacuro pazir lo lasi laso bangso kacesong bang ni tum kang ton kokji lapu kali lasi la non within 30 days pasong bong alang ki kacecak teng pen la bang ipapleng nang po LAPEN pinilatak organize lake nilitum SS Singason Youth Development Committee LAPEN Youth from LAPEN KSA tum do lasi hala hianok bi atom panilitum facilitation KARBI AMEI sinilitum patopan lo lasi nilitum kuansi lam ding